so grateful, to be honest with you, to be living in this very moment, to be able to talk about this openly. It took me, myself, years. I've been doing this work for about a decade now. It took me a decade to be able to actually come out and talk about it. I talked about some of these results, the MDMA study at the FDA level and the Hopkins study at the NBC, just educating the public. I think the public needs to know that psychedelics are extremely helpful, but it's also like playing with fire.
Hmm.
So you have to be with trusted people. You have to seek experts in the field who have shown some work that is not coming in from an egotistical space, or you go to these retreats and they're just taking your thousands of dollars, and the results are you're in not a good state when you come back because there's no integration. And so really doing your research in knowing what path you would step to take towards that, towards using it as a therapeutic agent.